Hi, Joy Anderson with Preschool System. You are going to love this video. We have a very special series coming up. It's with Deborah Browning. She is in our Preschool All-Stars community and she's going to teach you how to create an online preschool. She has an amazing preschool going on right now and she's going to give you all of her tips and tricks to be able to create your own successful online preschool. Enjoy the series.
We're getting to talking about our letter of the week. Some of the things you can find templates and make it in your Word, print it out and use it for your instruction, and it's something that's engaging.
We're working on letter J. Everybody say J. Good. And the letter J says This is Miss Deborah. J. So our movement for letter J is kind of fun. When we make the J sound, we can say J. Or what? What is that word? J. Good. So J says J. Can we make that sound? Let's do it together. Ready? J says J. Very good.
It's like for jumping, Rabbit.
Yeah, it's for jumping. J is for jumping. So this is, look friends, this is capital J. Everybody say capital J.
Capital J.
I don't hear everybody. Let me hear you say capital J.
Capital J.
Good. And this is lowercase J. Very good. And what does J say? J says J.
So notice I'm literally on YouTube typing letter J song. Okay, so I'm not gonna play the whole entire video, but basically this video goes through showing the letter J, it goes through saying the J sound, and then it says words that begin with the letter J. It has them practice saying the J, and then it also has them forming the letter J in the air. So it's all about that repetition for that letter. On day one, I always have a letter of the week book that I'm ready to read to them also. And we just say, whatever the picture is, jam, jump.
This is the picture up. Where are all our friends? Have a seat, Anaya. Royal, come have a seat, love. Opposite. Can we say that word? Opposites.
Opposite.
Yeah.
I want to think.
So the first way we're going to introduce opposites is by looking at two sight words that are opposite. Ready? Here's our first word. Ready? Eyes of Miss Deborah. Remember with sight words, when we see them, we say them. This word is, we read them. Big. Yes, let's read that word. Big. I can't hear you. Big. Good. So when we see the word, we're going to read it. The opposite of big is little. This is our other new sight word. What is this word? Little. What is this word? Little. Good. What is this word? Big. Good. What is this word? Little. Good. Ready? What is this word? Little. Good. What is this word? Big.
After I've introduced the new words on Monday, then we go over the words that we've been learning the entire time. So it's just literally, I teach them, you see them, and when you see them, you say them. We also, as the week goes on, we put those words into sentences, and I put a dot underneath each word, and we'll point and read each word together. This week, as you heard, we were working on opposites.
Hey, real quick, do you want to start a preschool but you have no clue how to do it? I mean, I know you're loving these videos, that's why you're here, but do you actually want the step-by-step process to get you from where you're at to having a successful preschool so you can stay home with your kids and finally create that consistent income? I've got exactly the right thing for you. I want to gift you a free copy of my book called Start Your Preschool. Guess what? This has over 300 pages teaching you how to do a local or an online preschool. It's my story of how I started my preschool and also how I've shared this knowledge and this mission with everyone over the past 10 years to help thousands of mothers start their own preschools as well. They've literally gone through this exact same training in my book. I want to get it to you so you can finally stay home with your kids. Don't wait. This is your chance. Get your free copy of my book. Simply go to freepreschoolbook.com or click the link in the description and I'll ship you out a copy for free. I hope you're loving these videos, but let's pause these videos for one quick sec and go get my book.
So I found a video on YouTube, which was a song. So with this song, it just laid the foundation for the lesson that I was going to teach. So it gave them, it kind of piqued their interest, or it was just the lesson activator to get them to kind of understand or get a connection for what I was about to teach. When I taught them opposite, there was a lot of movement. The opposite of up is down. The opposite of sad is happy. A lot of movement and expression, because what does that do for the kiddos? It keeps their attention. It keeps them engaged. If you're gonna say the opposite of stop and they're like, go! Like they wanna scream and they wanna holler and they wanna move. And so all of this just keeps them engaged. And it gives them their time to be able to wiggle as they go. As I told you guys, we go into some kind of dance and movement. So that day, it was a dance song that they did. And then after the movement, we went into our numbers, into our math.
Going just like this. Yes, good job. You guys are just so smart. Here we go. Ready? Show me with your fingers. What number is this? It's number 4. Good job, number 4. Good job, guys. All right, ready? What number is this? Naya, show me with your fingers. What number is this?
And Naya was busy eating her snack.
Good job, number 1. All right, here we go. Yes, Royal.
Next one.
Good job, Zoe. Are we ready for this? Oh, this is the hard one. Here we go. Get your fingers ready. Get them ready. Here we go. Don't say it. Shh.
Yeah.
Yes! This is number 3. Good job, guys. That's number 3. Okay. For these next few numbers, we're going to need.
So right now, this was actually an assessment piece for me, because that week we were then moving on to 2-digit numbers. And so I was taking just a little assessment to see if they remembered when we learned 0 through 10. And that was literally earlier in, probably in September. And then we just stopped and worked on other math skills. So coming back into October, doing a review really quickly. I'm sorry, one other thing that you're gonna notice too is we are getting to the end of our session. So in this part, they are a little more fidgety, but then I just had to reel them back in to then listen and repeat whatever it was that I was saying.
Count to 11. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11. We don't have enough fingers. We don't have enough fingers to hold up. 11. And 11 is 10 and 1 more. Good. Let's say that again. 11 is 10 and 1 more. Good job.
I stole on that speaker.
That
Go to the bottom of the
was 1 more. So let's practice counting to 11. Ready? We're going to clap 11 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Good job. That is number 11. 10 and 1 more. You guys had a fantastic day of learning today. Now, if you all wanted to show me one
So at the end of the session, it doesn't always get like that. It just depends on the day, on the time. But what was the big key there was also repetition. Having them to repeat it over and over again. And the more they see it and they say it, the more they're going to remember it. So that's how I introduce different skills to the kids. Again, if there's one big thing that I can say, systematic. Having a systematic and thematic approach will make things be so much easier.
Wasn't that awesome? Oh my gosh, everyone who's seen this video knows how amazing it is and how much it's going to help you create a successful online preschool. Now guess what? The video series isn't done yet. Post in the comments, what was your favorite part about this video? And as always, please subscribe, share, and like these videos so I can get more of them to women just like you. And now enjoy the next video.